Hey friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my craft room. And today I'm going to be doing some crafting. I'm going to do a couple videos later. One of the videos I told you about in my little video that I made these little tissue pouches is I'm going to do a video on how to wrap a small gift in a toilet paper roll. This is a lot of fun. Obviously a small gift, but it's fun. The other thing I want to do is I did get my essential oil delivery and I want to do an unboxing of that. That's just fun for me. I just love that stuff. And we're on our way outside. I've got my green gardening apron on. We're going to go outside and I'm going to take you along with me and we are going to prep my garden so that tomorrow I can get everything planted and get it ready to go. I'm excited about it because I've got some new places to plant things and we'll go over a little bit of that. And then the other thing, what I wanted to talk to you about also is, every once in a while I'll think of like a super good little tip or trick, just kind of like that last video I did. A lot of people commented on putting the frozen vegetables in with the noodles when you boil them. And that's something I've always done. And people say, oh, that's a good tip. So there is a couple of things, like YouTube has started to take really short videos and make them into a thing called shorts. It's kind of like TikTok. And every once in a while I'll get an idea and think, oh man, I need to show people that, but it's not worth a whole video. And then I'll wait to do a video where I could incorporate it. And then I forget because I don't make lists, it just comes to me and I forget. So what I'm thinking is they have already taken a number of my videos that are less than a minute and put them as what they call a short. I did go over to TikTok and create a TikTok account for these quick tips and ideas and just happenings and whatever. But then I thought, what a pain to ask you guys to go over there and subscribe to that and all that. So I really never did anything with it. But now I can do these quick little videos here on YouTube and just put them on my channel. And sometimes people don't like to see these quick little less than a minute videos. Some people like them because it's like a quick touch base. You get a good tip or you get something funny or whatever. And they're fine. But when I put those up, they will say hashtag shorts after the title. So if you see that, and you're not a person who wants to watch a short video or you're not into that, just don't watch it and go over to the full-length videos. One thing that's cool about them is that they're going to be like randomly played for people, kind of like they do at TikTok, and people can subscribe and that will subscribe them to the channel, which is fun. I mean, that's kind of fun if you want to just watch a little short and then go over and watch full-length videos, so that's fun. You will not, from my understanding, you will not get notified when I put up a short. But that's fine. Eventually, if you watch a lot of shorts, you will start to get notified of shorts. So, so it's just kind of a trial thing. It's all beta. And I just thought it'd be fun because I already put up a short just of going down. I just wanted to test it, of going down to the mailbox to get my delivery. I have another one about cleaning the string off the beater bar of your vacuum. I'm going to put that one up later. And just occasional fun. So when you see those, if you don't like to watch short things, then you'll see hashtag shorts in the title. Just don't worry about it. But I'll try to just pop something up when I think of these things, or when I have, like today, I thought of another thing that I do that people will go, oh my gosh, I never thought of that. Well, I could do a short on that and just share that information. And it's kind of a fun way just to touch base a lot more than making a whole full-length video, because those take a lot of planning. Not that shorts don't, but take a lot of planning and a lot of work and things like that. And so you might start seeing some of those. Give me some feedback. Tell me if you want them. Tell me if you don't want them. Tell me what you like. That'll be fun. And then today I'm going to be doing my garden. I got to go at 2 o'clock to pick up my groceries because I did my online grocery shopping this morning. I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to do a little crafty project. So look for those coming up. And I've been on vacation all week. It's been terrific. And I don't know, tomorrow's the day that I have to finish my garden and I got to clean my fish tank. I swear, my fish tank, I can't see the fish in there. So I got to clean that out. So there will be my weekend, my week, and some upcoming YouTube content. So let me know what you think, and be sure, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already here, thank you so much. And be sure and like and subscribe and, do all the things. So thank you guys so much. We'll talk to you soon.